Welcome to the Renaissance in Tampa, right at the International Mall. We are staying here for a staycation so that we can get an upgrade in our status on Marriott before we go to Hawaii in a few weeks. But I'm going to show you the room. It is the first time we've ever stayed at this hotel, so you're going to come along for this adventure.
I just got pixie-fied. Pixie dusted. All right, I'm about to try one of these Dragon Balls. Oh, look at this. She is good.
Here is your room tour. I did get an upgrade. I'm not sure what our room was supposed to look like before this, but this is the room we got. It's a king size room. So there's the king size bed. It comes with drawers, of course, on the end tables. It does have a cute little chase lounge, which looks like it could be comfy. Maybe put your glass of wine on the table. Or be good a reading chair for later. We do have a view of the courtyard. So this is the courtyard. So it's pretty. It's an overcast day here. And there's Raymond James Stadium in the background. So if you're coming here to watch a football game, this is the perfect place to stay because it's not far from Raymond James at all. And you can actually see the stadium from our room. All right, let's go back inside and see what other amenities we have. Not free water, you do have to pay. They have an ice bucket with some plastic glasses. So far I have not seen a coffee maker, but we will investigate because sometimes it's hidden in some drawers. I don't know if this has a refrigerator in it or not either. We will double check. Drawers, a nice sized TV. Oh, a full length mirror is always nice to have. So there's the full length mirror. Hey. And down here, they did this in Disney too, where it's a false looking set of drawers. That is where your refrigerator is. Pretty much all hotels these days have refrigerators. So if we have waters later we want to put in there, that'll be great. And this one is probably real drawers. Yeah, this one is real drawers. So there's 3. And then let us check out the closet space. Always want to check that out. So if you're here for a corporate event, there is a nice big closet. Comes with some hangers. Again, if you don't know the trick, you use these for your dirty laundry, unless you're sending laundry out. They do have a luggage rack, which I like to use. Let's see at the other side. There's an ironing board and an iron. Some storage space up here. You can easily put your suitcase up there if you unpack. And then a safe, if you are using the safe. And let's check out the bathroom. Oh wait, here's a coffee area. So there's the light above it. I just found it. It looks like there might be some maybe teas and stuff. Oh, how cute is this? So let's see, we have some Rainforest certified. Let me see what brand this is. Never heard of Urbanista, but that's the coffee you get. So it looks like there's 2 regulars and 2 decafs. Let's see what this one is. Yeah, that's a decaf. So there's regular and decaf. You got some cups, all your different types of sugars. You've got some creamers. And then if you're a tea person, there are 2 different types of tea, your English breakfast, and it looks like this is your Zen Tea. So we've got that in this lovely little box. And then a tiny little coffee hot water maker. So that's what's here. There's just nothing under here. Again, you can probably store a suitcase there if you wanted to. Okay, we have a bathroom that does not have a tub. It has just a shower. And it's on a barn door, which is what Disney has done in some of their hotels that just have the shower. This is a big thing to do now with the barn door. We're actually redoing our bathroom and considered doing this, but I think we're going with a regular door. But this is the barn door shower door. And they give you all the shampoos and conditioners, hand and body wash. It's not a rain one, just a regular spout. Your soap holder, and that's pretty much it. It's basic, simple shower. Of course, we have towels and things here. Your mirror. I love these when you're doing your makeup and stuff. If you want to see your blemishes. So they have this and it lights up. I like having these. I might want one of these in my new bathroom too. I don't know. And then more storage over here. I believe this is probably your hair dryer. It feels like it. A vanity kit. And then here is your, this is not closed off. I thought there might be a door, but there isn't. So just your toilet, and that's it. So that is your room. There's also another mirror back here. So if you want to do makeup in one mirror and someone's in the other room, you can actually do that as well. So that's it for your room tour. On the itinerary is perhaps a little visit to the pool. It looks like it's kind of overcast. Not sure how that's gonna work out. No, the sun's out. So we may hit the pool for a little bit. Then we have reservations at Texas de Brazil, which is across the way. We will be taking our car for that. And before that, we'll do some wine tasting at Cooper's Hawk. And then you just walk right next door to Texas de Brazil. Then later tonight, we will be coming back here because at the International Mall, I actually made a short of the International Mall. I haven't made any big videos on any of the restaurants, but you can catch that in my shorts on International Mall. And one of the things in that short that I discovered that's on the newer side is King Corona, which they also have in Ybor City. So we're probably gonna go get a drink there later tonight. And right next door to that, there's a place for wine. So I will take you along on all of that, and you'll see what it's like to stay here at the International Mall Renaissance Hotel owned by Marriott. This is the pool. Looks like that is the hot tub over there. We've got some lounging, some chairs in the sun. There's like a round looking thing over there. These are in the shade. We've decided to sit here in the shade. And there's another one in the shade, so there's plenty of room. Behind this wall here is the exercise room. So it is a very nice sized pool. And we are going to get in and enjoy the afternoon while we can before we head over for wine tasting later on at Cooper's Hawk. So across from the shopping center is a whole strip of restaurants that you can go to if you don't want to stay at the International Mall. We're at Cooper's Hawk. We happen to be members because we are doing a staycation. So we are doing some wine tasting before our dinner reservations. So that's one of the activities that you can do if you're staying at the Renaissance in Tampa. Okay, so just a few doors down, there is Texas de Brazil. So if you like meat like my husband, you will love this restaurant. I don't eat much meat. I eat seafood. So I got the salad bar, and that is what we were doing for dinner. So that is also right in the line of restaurants and things that you can do. I will tell you that Cooper's Hawk, we were just for the wine tasting, amazing food there. So that is also another option just to stay there for dinner. But make sure you make reservations for any of these restaurants because they do book up, especially on the weekends. So we are now at King Corona, waiting for some friends. My husband smokes cigars, which is why we're here. Outside on the patio, he's having a latte to end the evening. I'm having a little bit of amaretto to sip on, and it was a really nice staycation. So that is what you can do when you come to the Renaissance, because you just walk up a flight of stairs, and you're here with all these different restaurants, and even the mall if you want to do some shopping. There's Lilly Pulitzer in there, and Tommy Bahama, and the Nordstrom's, Neiman Marcus. And so it's a great little place to stay, even if you're in Tampa and want to take a staycation. So on that note, thank you for tuning into The Wonderful World of Wendy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next adventure.